Alright, what's up guys? It's about 4:30 in the morning and we are on our way to my local Walmart to do two things that I've never done before. The first thing that I have never done before that we're going to do today is film in a public store. And I don't know why I'm nervous about it. It's 4:30. There's not going to be anybody in there except maybe other idiots like me. And the second thing that we're going to do that I haven't done before, and I don't know if it's been done before many times on YouTube, is we are going to do the budget fishing challenge, except with our little twist on it. Our little twist is going to be, I'm not sure how much money we're going to spend. I'd like to keep it around $20, $30, but it's going to be a my seatbelt thing goes off in the parking lot. It's going to be a multi-species type thing. So I want to get a rod and reel, probably a combo, and we're going to get some baits for bass, some baits for panfish / multi-species, and we're going to get maybe a small bait for panfish that I can use for bait for catfish. And we're going to pick out some small hooks, some weights, and a can of corn, a carp as well. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to start off fishing for bass and panfish in the kayak, and then we're going to move to the bank and try to catch some catfish and carp. So I'm pulling into the Walmart now. I've just kind of been driving in the parking lot talking, but my seatbelt thing's getting on my nerves. So see you guys in the store. Alright guys, it's about 5 a.m. now, and we're on our way to the lake. And I'm just going to let everybody know this now, because I'm sure a lot of people are going to be wondering why you didn't see me pick out the stuff. I was in the aisle, I was, doing my thing, picking out all the stuff we're going to get. And the next aisle over, an employee heard me, and they came over and asked me what I was doing. And at that point, I looked down at my camera and realized I wasn't recording. So I pretty much did all that for nothing. If you're wondering what that noise is, that is these straps from the kayak. So, yeah, that's why you're not going to see me pick out the stuff. But I'll show you guys everything we got at the lake. We did pretty good. We kept it under $30. So this is going to be a $30 multi-species Walmart fishing challenge. So I'll show you guys what we got when we get to the lake. Alright guys, we're at the lake. Hopefully you can see. Let's see. Nope, you guys really can't see. Okay. Let's pull out the old flashlight. There we go. Alright, now the rod and reel combo that we got is a Zebco Slingshot. It's a, was it medium light? Oh, Jesus. Where does it say on here? There we go. There's a medium light combo with 8-pound test on it. Receipt. And that was $9.88. And we picked up 2 cans of corn. 2 cans of corn, which were $1.14 each. And we picked up a pack of size 8 hooks for carp, and a pack of size 3 hooks for the catfish, both at $1 a piece. picked up some little weights for the carp and catfish. We won't be using yet. Now, and we got the beads here. And the swivels. So that's the stuff for the carp and catfish. And I picked up for bass one of the infamous $1 Walmart spinner baits. It's a dual blade, Colorado and Willow. I picked up a little Rebel Pop Bar, which we'll be using first for bass. And I picked up these little cream swirltail grubs. Swirltail. Curly tail grubs, which are pretty small, and I think we can use these to catch our bait for the catfish as well. And I picked up a little inline spinner, which is a very good bait for pretty much all species. So that's what we're going to be rolling with. We got the spinner, the curly tail grubs, Rebel Pop Bar, and the $1 spinner bait. And all that came to $29.57, so we kept it under $30. So it's not bad. So I'm going to take this little bag with us, and we're going to get on the lake, and hopefully we're going to catch some fish. Alright, we are on the lake at dawn. Alright, so let me run through the game plan with you guys real quick of how we're going to do this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to throw the top water right here, Rebel Pop Bar. Hopefully we'll catch some bass on that. And then, as the day goes on, we'll throw on the white spinner bait once the wind picks up a little bit, which I'm sure it will. And then we'll either throw out one of these two. We're definitely going to save them for last because one of these is going to catch our bait for the catfish. And I don't want to have, you know, a bluegill in the kayak with me for, you know, a long time. So the first thing we got to do is we got to officially make this ours. We got to take the little rubber band off, just like that, and like that. Take the other one off. And then we'll cut the stuff off of it. Cut the tag off. Boom. And then this stupid stuff. Yeah. That's off, and that's off. All right. I checked to make sure everything works ahead of time, so we didn't come out here with a busted setup. Alright, so I'm going to get this thing rigged up, and I'll see you guys for the first cast. There we go. Feels like a good one. Oh yeah, it's pulling me out. Whoa. Man. I can't tell if it's a big one or if it's just right line. Oh yeah, that's a good chunk right there. That is a good bass. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, come here, big boy. good bass. Oh, that's a nice bass, guys. Oh, he got hooked really weird. Well, how's that for the first bass of the day, guys? Man, they got some teeth on them. Man, that's a solid bass right there, guys. That is one of the biggest ones this year. Wow, what a beauty. Oh my goodness, look at that bass. There she goes. Alright, yes. That is fantastic. There we go. That's another good one. They fight really hard with this lighter setup. Go, guys, second bass. Not a bad little bass. Second bass of the day on the popper. There we go. It did bite it. I don't think this is a bass, guys. Is this a crappie? Or is it a little bass? Oh, it is a little bass. Just fighting weird. Alright. Third bass. Pretty small. Mouth. He was hooked so weird. There we go. Third bass of the day. Little tiny guy. Very pretty. Alright guys, we caught a couple bass, missed a couple bass with the popper. It's a little choppier over here, so I put on the spinnerbait. And the color is white. And the bottom of that popper is white. So I think we should get some fish on the spinnerbait as well. There we go. There's a spinnerbait fish. Oh, he spit it! No! Oh, you dang Walmart. Alright guys, we had a couple bites on the spinnerbait, and then we missed that nice bass on the spinnerbait. So I figured it's time to put on a little rooster tail. Try to get some other species of fish. There we go. What's a bass? So guys, another bass. Small bass on the inline spinner. Not a bad little bass. There we go. That is not bait size. Oh, he got off. There we go. That's a pretty good big size right there. I'm gonna keep this guy for bait. There we go. Get a bluegill. Nice bluegill on our little grubs. Alright, let's make our way down to the bird. Guys. He really went to the grub. Yeah, little black crappie. Let's see if we. Where? Oh my God, guys. Oh my God! I literally just let this down when I released that fish, and there's another crappie on it. What the heck? That's insane. There we go. That's a good one. Another small black crappie. That's the one that's a little bit bigger. This is a little bigger. A little bit bigger, but still not what we're looking for. Alright guys, that's it for part 1. Part 2 is catfish and carp. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to cut the bluegill up, and we are going to throw him out there first. And I'm going to chum the area that I'm going to be fishing at for the carp, and hopefully, you know, we can get the carp all on that area so that way we don't have to wait too long for the carp. But the carp are definitely active today. They are really jumping around. They're splashing through the lily pads, feeding. I don't know if it's their spawning time yet. Like I said, I'm not a carp expert, but they're acting like it. So I'll see you guys on the bank.